Hello everyone, I am going to tell the story of zero. One day, a great mathematician called all the numbers for a meeting. All the numbers came for the meeting except zero. And the mathematician asked, "Where is zero?" No one knew. Where is he? The mathematician called all the numbers to find zero. All the numbers started looking for zero. And after a long time, they found zero hiding behind a tree. And the mathematician asked, "Why didn't you come for the meeting?" He started crying. And the mathematician thought for a while and gave a smile and said to zero, "Don't cry, even you have value." And told number one, "Come and stand on the left side of zero." Now everybody tell me what's the value? 10. Now zero, come and stand on the right side of zero. Now everybody tell me what's the value? 100. In this scene of tolerance, this story teaches us to accept others more different from you, to respect and treat everyone fairly. And when you do that, your value also increases. Thank you.